Hello and welcome to another travel adventure with Sam, and today I'm in Broken Hill, New South Wales, and I'd like to show you this amazing place that I've stumbled across. It's called Bell's Milk Bar in Patton Street, Broken Hill. Now this milk bar has a rich history dating back to 1892 when it started off as a confectionery shop, and they also manufactured cordials here as well. It was purchased by Les Bell Jr. and obviously then the name became Bell's Milk Bar, and it's brilliant. It's an old-fashioned milk bar in Patton Street, Broken Hill, and I've spoken to Matthew, who manages the place, and he said that I can do some filming, so why don't we go inside and check it out. They've got a museum in the back as well, so let's go inside and have a bit of a look-see. I'm just going to go through the front doors here. There's quite a few people here at the moment. There we go. Got a bit of music playing in the background. Here's some of the cordials they make. Let's have a look at some of the flavours. There's lime, vanilla, chocolate, blue raspberry. Just entering the back area of the cafe. You can see it's done in a retro style, which is really cool. It's got an old-fashioned gaming system here as well, which is cool. So yeah, really cool place. This area here is done in a lounge suite style. It's got tables and chairs, some photos on the wall. It's even got an old-fashioned TV, and look at this, that's pretty cool. And here the people that started it. This is Les Senior and Minnie Pearl Bell, and this is their son Les and Mavis Bell. There you go. Now they've also, as I said, have got a museum here. So we're just going to go and have a look at this museum. Now the museum is actually done in the style of a kitchen. So you can see there's some old milkshake appliances, a stove. It's got a sink over there. Water urn. It's got a scale, a sunbeam mixer. It's an old cash register as well. A few cups and containers and bottles, etc. It's an old juicer. Another old TV. Wow. So this is their museum in the back of the store. So it's pretty cool. We've got somebody just coming into the picture. That's okay. Alright, so we'll just make our way out of here. Thanks guys. Hello. Well, you're going to be on YouTube. There you go. No worries. Have a great day. It's lovely the people you meet on your travels. Again, we were in this room which is done up in a lounge style. It's got a few people here today because this is a bit of a tourist attraction. And a lot of people do come here to experience an old-fashioned milk bar. So here we go. Pass through again. Do one more little sweep of the actual room. And that is Bell's Milk Bar in Broken Hill, New South Wales. Well, that was pretty cool. Just going to go outside again. So there you have it. Bell's Milk Bar in Broken Hill, New South Wales. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Please feel free to share. And please subscribe to my channel. It's free to do. Don't have to pay anything to subscribe to my channel, and it will help my channel to grow. So until next time, happy travels.